Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Afrocare Princess. I have to be at work in 3 hours time. I need to use like 30 minutes to do my hair before I head for work. So I just said let me come on camera and do it real quick, and so I have something to upload this week. So stay tuned if you want to see how I get this looking cute. Well, I'm going for a side part. When I heard there was going to be another lockdown, I went and grabbed this big one. Like, I don't want to be without gel. Right, I grabbed a full size amount. Oh no, I was supposed to spray some water before doing this, but I don't have so much time, so I'm just gonna spray some water first. So I just put my hair into this bun first of all, just because I don't want this section to be wet. And more gel. Do not miss this step. So now that that is done, I take out this headband or this head tie, and I like now more firm. So now it's been like 5 minutes. Just gonna, I'm about to use some ow 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 ow. So just go for any hair that ends very bluntly, so you don't need to go picking. If I were to take a picture right now, I'll be like, okay, let's get to work. Okay, that method is not working. Try something else. This is the impression kit. Nope, I don't think this is gonna work. Let me tell you something. With natural hair, always have a backup plan. Always be ready to, like, you know, be creative, because it's always going to go every time the way you want it to go. And now I'm going with this other hair. Waist here. And this is when you need your bobby pins. Oh my god, now my bobby pins are not here. Seriously, I'm not feeling it. I'm not just feeling this. Maybe I should have been watching the movie now, or like, I have to go find another hair. Because I took out my scarf without this thing being dry, it's like getting loose, like everything is just going wrong. I know I can easily fix that, just like to gel it down and, you know, tie it firm. But anyway, I went and brought another miserable hair. Oh my god. Let me try to brush it and see. This hair wasn't like this before. I don't know what is this, like, hold on. You brush it and it just like forms something. In short, you know what? But it's not that bad. It's not that bad. Okay, let me comb it. Let me comb it, then I get back. I've gotten something reasonable I can go out of the house with. I will just gel all this. Just gonna gel it down, tie it, and then get back to you. And it's been serious struggle, but at least I've like tried to make things work like you saw through the video. So all those hairs that were like popping out here, I just like painted like in a design kind of way, and then now I've like combed the hair to make it, you know, look like, you know, somehow real. So at least I'm good to go. Like if the demarcation between your hair and this ponytail is trying to like mess up with your life, you can also use this, for example, this right here. But I can put it on just to show you how it looks like. What am I waiting for? Let me just do it. See how it's looking like. This is my favorite. I'm just gonna let you go now because the video is just a catastrophe. I didn't want to put this video up, but on the other hand, it's good for you to know what we go through sometimes to come up with a video. Like it's not all like beds of roses, no, like you might think. So the video was like all over the place. The video was like messy, but at least I uploaded a video this week. I'm not proud of it, but hope you enjoyed watching in any case. And if you did, please still give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna come up with something better than what I did today, like I promise. Thank you so much for watching. I don't even know what you can comment down below, but feel free, say whatsoever you feel like saying. And then I'll see you in my next video. Ciao.